animation showing the phases of the moon. So here's my template. I've got a moon, and this black one is the moon's shadow. So I'm going to use that to simulate the Earth's shadow covering the moon. It's pretty straightforward to do. Here's my front page. I've got a full moon. I'm going to right-click Copy, right-click Paste. I've got another one. Now on this one, I'm going to move the shadow so it just covers a little tiny bit of the moon. Then I'm going to right-click Copy, right-click Paste, and I've got another copy. And I'll move the shadow a little tiny bit further over. Right-click Copy, right-click Paste, and I keep doing that. Right-click Copy, right-click Paste. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing that until I've got the moon fully covered. And if you remember, a lunar month is 28 days. So how many frames of animation do you think you're going to need to make this completely cover the moon and then show the crescents on either side and have a new moon? When you're completely finished, you can publish your final piece of work by going to File and Share, and then Publish to Web. That's going to give you this screen right here. You want to start the slideshow as soon as it loads, and of course the moon never stops, so restart after the last slide. Then hit Publish. It's going to say, are you sure you want to publish this? You'll say yes, and here's the link. So you need to email this link to Mr. Walter. And that's it. You'll be finished making a moon animation.